Hi everyone, I want to welcome you to today's live trading through all I'm seeing in the markets. So I wanted to share the links, share it out to all of your contacts, all of your friends, let them know that we're live. Okay, so much value to be, everything I'm seeing in the market and what I'm expecting the course of this week. So share it out fast, send it to all traders, all category of traders, both pro traders, newbies, all of you. Let them know that I'm live currently. All right, so I hope that this finds you well. Hope you've been able to see the weekly analysis and the weekly review for last week. It's important that you journal your trades. That way you can be able to know whether you are making progress or you are not making progress. You see, trading is about progress. It's not about just showing up in the market every day, and just giving money to the market. You ought to make progress as a trader. So, and the only way you can measure that is through journaling, okay, and through reviews. You can run personal reviews and all. So, currently, and I'm going to show you what I'm seeing. All right, so that's the chart on the screen. So this is the JPY entry that we got during the Asian session. For those of you that don't sleep too much, you can always be part of what we do. You can always be part of what we do. So that means sleep had nothing on you, and you were able to catch that session with us. So quickly, let me show you what the dollar index is showing us for this week. So I think we have news telling us that today is holiday. Let's see again. Yeah, we have bank holidays in Canada and the US. So only the Great Britain pounds and the Japanese yen pairs would have volatility for today, and that's why we're able to trade them. But despite the non-volatility in the dollar index, it's still moving, just that it's just making said during the last week's weekly analysis. I said it is facilitating a bullish pullback, even though it's on the bearish side, because taking out this low, it's facilitating a pullback to go bearish. So I said for the pullback, I'm going to go short. For the bearish, I may go long. Now, if you look at, I drew a line, which is a strong low. As it takes out this, I find entries. You get that? So that's a strong low. It takes out this, I find entries. So this is for bullish, this is for bearish. Until then, everything. Okay, so you might say dollar index. There's nothing to do with the dollar index. Now, until you master the skill to this level, you are gambling. You don't know what you're doing yet. So you have to master the skill to the level where you ought to know when there's no opportunity, okay, in the market. You stay away from the market. Otherwise, the profits you've made for some time, the noise can take it away from you. Very concerned to see that this strong, it's not only a strong low, but this place has been rejecting price. this should have been the strong low. Okay, so you took out, it was taken out. So this is the most recent strong low. No, it's not the most recent strong low. This was the most recent, and this took it out. So this is the most recent strong low. So this is a bullish movement, but this is the most recent strong low. Take it out. So what we are looking at now is bullish. Though we caught this bearish move during the Asian bank session. What we should be looking at for now is bullish. For longs, for shorts, we can go bearish. So if we find short moves, we go bearish. Find long moves, we go bullish. If I must go watch that price takes out this or this. Okay, so that will be on the entry time frame, which is 15 minutes. So otherwise, I'm not going to trade anything. So JPY basket is basically making noise too. So if price doesn't take this, we're not going to go bearish. Okay. If it takes this, we find bullish. Okay. If it doesn't take out this, we're not going bearish. So until there's something for JPY and DXY, we can't trade anything. So if you have not gone to that level, you have come then, you really basically don't know. I don't think you want to keep on trading like that in 2026. You cannot keep losing. Otherwise you keep joining that set of people that keep saying Forex is not a business. It's the experience they have. So for the silver, I said something about silver that if it gives us a confirmation, we're going to go bullish. So it failed the first confirmation, it didn't give us. It failed the second one, it didn't give us. Let's see what this third one is doing. So for this third one to be valid, all this, when it takes out this, then we begin to look for high entries. So we're expecting something like this. Price should take out that, come back before we go up with silver. Tesla. Let me see. I think Tesla has something for us. I think so. Why is the network slow? Why is the network slow? Tesla. Okay, so this is Tesla. This is Tesla. Bearish on the downside. Let me see. Okay. Bullish on the upside. Taking out this, coming here, coming down. So let's see. Taking out this thing. We'll look for bearish move shorts, which is this. And this, let's take out this for now. So if we see a bearish move, bullish move on short, we'll do. But if we see a long bullish move, bearish move, we'll do on Tesla. So let's look at US 30. Rounding up this analysis, US 30. So let's see. I know we're supposed to have something good. Okay, so. Don't tell me US 30 has moved. Don't tell me it has moved. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. We're looking at if it takes out this, then we can trade this. Well, lo and behold, it's already on TP. So what we'll do now is we're going to wait since it's taking out this, giving us this. Let's wait for, I think that's the entry. Let me see. That looks like the entry for US 30. Okay, no, it's going to retrace a little. So we're going to wait for a few retracements. So let's retrace a little since it's taking out this. So let's retrace that at least to this point. Then we'll see if we can catch this entry. So this is the first one I anticipated already on the TP. So that's for US 30. Then we have volatility 25 and jump 25. So we start with volatility 25. So we're looking at what price we do within this range. Okay, so we might catch bearish moves if we see a good one that has strong volatility. So nothing yet. This is noise for me. Then if I get for jump, let me see jump. Oh, what was I doing? So ladies and gentlemen, jump has hit TP on the both side. So the first one was this, gave this confirmation, went straight here. The second one, I haven't taken out the skin, gave his own confirmation from here. So the second one should be like here. Okay. And the TP, like where it was originally. Okay, so we missed that. This first one confirmation should be like where we have the bullish candle. So it should be like here. TP should be so around there. So missed the boat. So what we're going to look at for now, for the one we should catch. We can still get an entry. Still bullish. Still bullish. So what we want now is we just need a major low that will be taken out. And this is it. Once this low is taken out, we're gonna sniper it. Boom. We're gonna sniper it like a gun. Remember, I'm the Hunter FX. So I'm gonna shoot my gun. Boom. And those of you ready to shoot with me to kill the bears, we will shoot to this point. So get ready. Let's shoot the bears. So shoot to that point. Okay. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Stay active on the group as I will be posting updates on that. If you don't stay active, you're not going to get that when I post it. So that's all we're going to take for today's live trading session. So something beautiful is coming up. Planning something with OctaFX. Just came out of a meeting with one of the managers in Nigeria, and planning a trading competition for my community. So if you're any member of my community, you're a trader and you wish to add some fun to what you're doing, you're good in your skill, then a competition is coming where take certain trades and the best person has a price, second has a price, third has a price. But we're still structuring how the competition will run. And once we're done with that, we'll give all of you updates. So stay active on the group for all updates. Get ready to make money this week. Don't snooze. So far, I think we're up about 9% in some accounts. Right? No, not 9%. Yeah, 9%, 10% is, yeah, but 9% is some account up. And this week we're planning to take it up from 9% to at least 20%, if not more. So make sure you're part of it. Stay active. See you soon.